Guys, thanks for watching Florida Outdoor Adventures. I hope you're enjoying the series of videos in Panama. Welcome to another one. And if you look in the video description, you'll see the playlist for the whole South and Central America videos. I highly recommend you go and start from the beginning if you want to, if you have time. Today's video is Valle Anton and also near in that area. And we're gonna hit up a couple of special retreats that Darby wants to explore for his own motorcycle tour business. So we're gonna meet up with Darby in a little while, and we're gonna have a special surprise regarding Darby. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please click subscribe and the like button and the little bell too, so when you'll get an alert when I have a new video up. This is the turnoff here to Valle Anton. And Valle, 27 kilometers. Yep. Now I'm starting to feel the temperature change. Much cooler. Feels good though. Beautiful roads up here, guys, in Valle Anton. If they were just a little bit more maintained, I'd feel more comfortable, but they're not too bad. Just the occasional sand and gravel and pothole. If you're up to date on my videos here in Panama, up ahead to the right is the Hotel Campestre, or El Campestre, that I stayed with German. So you could take a look at that video if you want. It's coming up ahead on the right. Man, I wish all of you could see the views that I'm seeing here. The mountain peaks with the fog or the clouds. It's just beautiful. I brought the drone with me on this particular trip. This is Valle Anton, Hotel Campestre to the right there. Right over there. And we're gonna make a left up here on a road called Avenida Los Millonarios. Darby, what's going on? Avenida Los Millonarios, Millionaire Avenue. Those beautiful mountains I was talking about. Oh, there's some more over here ahead. And the place where we're staying is just 0.1 miles to my left. I can't even remember the name. Darby just sent me the pin, and I'm gonna meet up with Darby up here. This is it. Hostal and Restaurant Gulas. Made it to the hotel, no issues, no rain. I don't know how I avoided the rain. This is the room, let me just show you real quick. Here's the AC. But you don't really need AC up here in the mountains. It's very cool, and at night it gets even colder. And here's the bathroom. I just took a shower and reset myself. As you saw in the lobby, there's nothing much going on. And I need a cold Balboa. So let me do a Google search and let's get out of here. Wait for Darby. Darby, dale. Okay, I found 3 options. There's this place called Oki, and it said happy hour on Google Maps, so that's a plus. Let's take a look at that place first, and if it's open, maybe we could stop and have a Balboa. If not, there's a place called the Frogs Inn, and then also last resort, Hotel Campestre has a cool bar area. Just waiting for Darby. He's on his way from Panama City. Nothing to do but just have a beer and wait. Darby made it during the preparations for the Asado Festival in Anton. Too bad it's so dark. I can show you Darby's new surprise. We might have to wait till the morning.
Hello!
Hey, what's up?
How are you?
You made it.
I did it.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Thank you for waiting for me.
You're welcome.
Cheers!